Government of India guidelines which were later culminated into notification dated 27 September 1975, which specifically provides clause 3 that historical name cannot be changed or altered. Therefore, this is the ground of invoking the jurisdiction of Honorable Court that this is the illegality going to be done. Therefore, please see to this. Second aspect is that Article 51 Clause F of Constitution of India provides that this is the duty of all citizens of India to value and protect the combined culture, common culture and heritage of India. Now, as far as the Allahabad name is concerned, that is a part of history undoubtedly, there is no doubt to that. Allahabad was named in 1575 by Mughal Emperor Akbar as a token of unity of Hindu and Muslims, so that the word Allahabad. Therefore, we are challenging since the guidelines provides that the name of history cannot be changed or altered. Your second question that earlier also we went to High Court and our petition was rejected. I would like to bring to your kind notice that our earlier petition though was rejected, but that was not rejected on any legal grounds. But we believe that this time, certainly inshallah, we will win this legal war which is going to be launched. This is the outcome of sick communal politics. Nothing else. They are failing on every account. So they just want to distract people from putting questions to them as to why they are failing, why they are not delivering. So they just want to divert attention of people from that to this communal politics. So this is nothing but sick communal politics. Renaming of Mughal Sarai was different. Renaming of Aurangzeb was different. This is altogether different and separate thing. Though each and everything will mention, but here we are not challenging those because those are the things of past. We are challenging this Allahabad. Certainly we believe that as we challenged Aurangzeb road name change in Delhi, thereafter none of the road or none of the name was changed. We believe that this time when we will challenge, they will stop from changing further names.